Welcome to my channel. I'm Joe, and today we're talking about how you can build a bigger, stronger chest without using any weights. No gym, no problem. These bodyweight exercises will help you sculpt a powerful chest from the comfort of your home. If you're ready to transform your physique, stick around. Let's get started. A lot of people think you need heavy weights to grow your chest, but that's not true. Bodyweight exercises can create just as much muscle tension, which is key for growth. Plus, they improve endurance, stability, and overall athleticism. Standard push-ups, the foundation. They target the entire chest, shoulders, and triceps. Here's how to do it. Hands shoulder-width apart, lower your chest down and push back up. Keep your core tight. Reps, 12 to 15. Pro tip, squeeze your chest at the top for maximum activation. Wide grip push-ups. These target the outer chest for a broader look. How to do it. Place hands wider than shoulder width, lower down, and push up. Reps, 10 to 12. Pro tip, keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to prevent strain. Diamond push-ups focus on the upper chest and inner definition. They target the inner chest and triceps. To do them, place your hands close together forming a diamond shape, lower down and then push up. Aim for 8 to 10 reps. Oh, and a pro tip, move slowly to maximize tension on the chest. Decline push-ups are great for upper chest focus. They target the upper chest and shoulders. Here's how you do them. Elevate your feet on a bench or chair. Place your hands on the ground, lower down, and push up. Try to get in 10 to 12 reps. And remember, the higher your feet, the more difficult this becomes. Archer push-ups are fantastic for chest isolation and strength gains. They target one side of the chest at a time. To perform them, move one arm out to the side while lowering down, then push back up. Do 8 reps per side. A little pro tip. These are great for mimicking the single-arm bench press movement. Explosive clap push-ups for power and growth. These target fast twitch muscle fibers for explosive strength. Here's how to do it. Lower down, explode up, and clap before landing back down. Aim for 6 to 8 reps. And a little pro tip. If you're a beginner, start with explosive push-ups without the clap. Do this workout 3 to 4 times per week for maximum gains. Start with standard push-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps. Then move on to wide grip push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Next, diamond push-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Follow with decline push-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps. Archer push-ups, 2 sets of 8 reps for each side. Finish strong with clap push-ups, 2 sets of 6 reps. Pro tip, increase reps or slow down tempo for added difficulty. To grow your chest faster, remember these key points. Progressive overload, increase reps, slow down movement, or add a backpack for resistance. Proper nutrition. Eat enough protein to fuel muscle growth. Rest and recovery muscles grow when you rest, not just when you train. There you have it. Now you know exactly how to build a bigger chest without weights. No excuses, just results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a workout tip. Comment below which exercise was your favorite. See you in the next video. Stay strong.